The YIHUA 853D 2A soldering station is a versatile tool that combines three functions in one compact unit, offering a soldering iron, hot air rework station, and a DC power supply. This model allows precise temperature control, with the soldering station adjustable from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, and the hot air rework station from 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The station is designed with a high-precision PID temperature stabilization function, ensuring a smooth and efficient soldering experience by maintaining the set temperature accurately. With its assistive features like sleep mode and automatic shutdown, the YIHUA 853D2A helps in prolonging the lifespan of the station and saving on energy costs. The addition of a 5-volt USB port enables convenient testing or working on devices while they remain powered, enhancing the unit's functionality. Users can confidently rely on the YIHUA brand, backed by a 12-month U.S. exclusive manufacturer technical coverage and round-the-clock professional assistance available on Amazon.